So hey guys, welcome back to my channel with Tanu. So this is the most repetitive idioms and phrase for SSC MTS हवलदार एग्जाम 2022 and 23. So यहाँ पे जो आ चुके हैं आपके इम्पॉर्टेंट है idioms and phrases. So फर्स्ट है आपका डैम स्क्विब. तो यहाँ पे आप ऑप्शन आपको दिए हैं रेनी वेदर, अ डिसअपॉइंटिंग रिजल्ट, अ स्कर्ट इन लॉन्ड्री, नन ऑफ द अबव. सो डैम स्क्विड मतलब होता है डिसअपॉइंटिंग रिजल्ट. सो यहाँ मैं डायरेक्टली आपको आंसर बता रही हूँ जो कि आपका यहाँ पे है ग्रीन से. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज इन कोल्ड ब्लड. सो दैट इज कोल्ड ब्लड मतलब कि यहाँ पे एंग्रीली है, वो मतलब एंग्री है. टू टेक समवन फॉर अ राइड. तो यहाँ पे टू डिसीव समवन, टू मूव हेवन एंड अर्थ. तो टू ट्राई एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल मतलब कि हेवन में जा रहे हैं, अर्थ में जा रहे हैं, तो आप थोड़ी चीज उस चीज को करते रहो. ठीक है. प्रे टू ऑल द गॉड्स नहीं होगा. टू ट्राई एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल चीजें हैं उसको कर रहे हैं. टू स्मेल अ रैट, टू बी सस्पिशियस. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे इन द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन 4 alternatives आर गिवन फॉर द गिवन idioms and phrases. चूज अ alternative which are the best expresses the meaning of the idioms and phrases. A bolt from the blue, an unexpected event, cold comfort, slight satisfaction. To be all at sea, lost and confused man मतलब lost हो चुका है and confused man, that is the meaning. To take to one's heel, to run away, to bite the dust, none of the. यहाँ पे है eat voraciously, have nothing to eat roots. तो यहाँ पे none of the above इसका आंसर होगा. कोई भी नहीं है यहाँ से. देन idioms and phrases फिर से वही है आपके है 11 to 15. Ram is very calculative and always has an axe to grind. तो इसका आंसर है has no result. A police looked. यहाँ पे पूरा प्रॉपर आपको सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है एंड लास्ट में यहाँ पे आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. द पुलिस looked all over for him but drew a blank, did not find. मतलब कि वो ढूंढ रही थी हर जगह, looked all over for him but वो उसे मिला नहीं. On the issue of marriage, Sarita puts her foot down. So was a firm. ठीक है. got down नहीं होगा, walk fast नहीं होगा, was firm. थक चुकना एक तरीके से. His investments helped him make a killing in the stock market. So make money quickly. Make a killing मतलब एकदम किलिंग तरीके से उन्होंने क्या बना ली, मेक मनी क्विकली, तुरंत बना लिया. देयर इज नो गेन सेइंग द फैक्ट दैट द कंट्री इज इन डिफिकल्टीज. डिनाइंग इसका आंसर हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज अगेन द इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस. 16th वन इज हिज स्पीच हैज टेकन द विंड आउट ऑफ माई सेल्स. सो इसका आंसर होगा मेड माई वर्ड्स और एक्शन इनइफेक्टिव. There is no point in discussing the new project with him as he always pours cold water on any idea. So disproves of. Next is regardless of what her parents said, she wanted to let her hair down that night. Really enjoying. I jumped out of my skin when the explosion happened. Wasn't panic मतलब कि हमेशा jumped out करना जाता है, मतलब हमेशा panic हो जाता है. So आपको इसको learn करना पड़ेगा. Next 20th is she didn't realize that the clever salesman was taking her for a ride. So trying to trick her. Next is again the idioms and phrases from 21 to 25. The project is carried over this year and we need to keep the ball rolling to continue the work. मतलब continue कर रहे हैं work को. The host team bore the palm in the league match, was victorious. Just keep your wig on, everything will be all right. That is the calm down. Parents pay through the nose for their children education, an extremely high price. Monica's habit of picking holes in every relationship is very irksome. Finding fault. Next is again 26 to 30. Once the case reached the court, the police washed their hands off it, disassociated themselves from. She wanted to go hitchhiking, but her mother put her foot down and now she's going by bus. Took a firm stand. Adolescence is a period of Helican, हम बोल सकते हैं इसे days. Helican days बोलते हैं, happy days होते हैं यहाँ पे. Next is my sincere advice to my maidservant fell on stony ground, had little success. he has all his ducks in a row, he is complacent, he is well organized. Next is 31. For some people, writing verse is as duck takes to water, like easily and naturally speaking. Next is he made my day by telling me how important I was to him. मतलब कि मैं कितना ज़्यादा ही मतलब उसने मेरा दिन बना दिया है. That how was I am important. ठीक है. तो gave me great pleasure. He made away with 10,000 rupees in the course of squandered. The student of that group have assured their project guide that they will all work against the clock, work with vigor to finish in limited time. Next is to let off steam. My friend started murmuring to show his anger. Next is 36 to 40. I could have continued my higher study if I wanted, but that's water under the bridge, something I cannot change. My parent wanted me to study science, but I will stick to my guns. मतलब कि मैं अपने डिसीजन पे ही हूँ एंड आई वांटेड टू ग्रेजुएट इन इकोनॉमिक्स. मतलब स्टिक है, अपने डिसीजन पे ही होल्ड ऑन है वो. तो होल्ड ऑन टू माई डिसीजन. द मैनेजर डिसमिस द प्रपोजल आउट ऑफ हैंड and said that it was not at all practical. Quickly, the people of this village are the salt of the earth. That is, the answer is kind. He accused her of taking through her hat, refused to accept the word of what she said. So the answer is talking nonsense. 41th is villagers always call a spade to speak in a straightforward manner. Next is 42. Marty broke a dining room window and had to face the music when her father got home. Accept the punishment. Next is to play second fiddle, take a subordinate role. 44th. Why are you jumping down my throat? I wasn't even in the house when it happened, scolding me. I am out of my wits and therefore cannot find a way to solve the problem immediately. Out of my wits, that is greatly confused. 46th is hard work pays in the long run. मतलब long run मतलब hard work अगर आप करोगे that वो आपके हमेशा के लिए हो जाएगा over a period of time. I felt a fish out of water among the lawyer, uncomfortable. Next is the Kaveri water issued led to apple of discord between the two governments, cause of quarrel. Next is the construction remain unfinished and the work have let the grass grow under their feet, delayed doing the work. Next is the police smelled the rat behind the death of the girl, got very much confused, identified the cause of death. The answer is suspected that something is fishy. हम आज 50 क्वेश्चन ही करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम और सारे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, हम उसको करेंगे. सो दैट्स इट फॉर द टुडेज वीडियो गाइस. सो यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे आप देख सकते हो हैं यहाँ पे. तो हम 50-50 करके सारे के सारे हम यहाँ पे इडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस कंप्लीट करेंगे, जो भी 181 है. ओके, सो इफ यू लाइक माई वीडियो जस्ट गिव थम्स अप एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल गाइस. बाय बाय.